Hi guys, let's make some sandwich date bread. In case if you don't know what date is, I'll show you the dates I'm using. I'll be using Saudi Arabian dates for this. First, in a bowl, pour in some flour. I have 6 cups of flour here, and then I proceed to pour in my yeast. This is 2.5 tablespoons of yeast and 6 tablespoons of sugar. Guys, this bread has to taste really good. I pour in some salt, just a little salt, and 1 egg. 1 large egg, guys. Guys, please, while you make it here, please subscribe to this channel. I also add in some 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil. And then, guys, this is my special ingredient is date. This is date paste. Specifically, this is Saudi Arabian date. In order to get this date paste, please check your local stores, and if you can't find the date paste, you have to use real dates. I add in some water, and when you use real dates, guys, ensure to blend it yourself. More like process the dates yourself. So guys, I continue and I pour in some water. This is just lukewarm water, very lukewarm, not close to hot in any way because of the yeast. Because when your water is so hot, it will kill off the yeast. I don't know if you understand what I mean. Like, it will make the yeast less potent. Right now, I'm using the dough mix comprising of all our ingredients. So we have to knead till it forms a dough. I continue to knead the dough mix till it forms an elastic dough, which is perfect for our sandwich bread. Guys, please subscribe to this channel and also like this video for me, guys. Like this video so it moves. So next, while this kneading is going on, you need your energy, you need your strength, especially if you're baking from home and you don't have the bread mixing machine or the mixing equipment. But if you're a home cook like me, use your hands and some energy and knead. Your hands, energy, and knead. These are all you require to knead your bread dough to perfection. Guys, this bread is expected to be very sweet and lovely. It's expected to be brown, just like you will love it. So I have it all mixed here. This is it. You can see it's quite soft and ooey. I add some flour, just a little flour to give me the right consistency. Although this is so good, but it will affect the way it comes out. If you notice, I did not use butter for this bread because the date will serve as the butter. It has a lot of weight. If you saw me doing adding it in the first clips or the earlier clips, you see that the date has a lot of weight, is weighty, so it serves as that butter. There is no need to add butter to this, and there is no need to also add lots of ingredients. It's just bread, guys. So this is what we have, and then the dough is set. Guys, I'll be leaving this here for over 1 hour 30 minutes. Guys, you can also leave yours for like 2 hours, 2 hours max. You can see it didn't even rise so much if you look at it because of that date. It has so much weight. So after about 2 hours here, yeah, 2 hours, I try to mold it to the shape and put in my pan, the pan of choice. So I have the date here and the date dough, which is what I am working with today. So I cut it all up just to share it is what I'm doing. I'm just sharing it, and I place them into the baking pan. This is a well-lined baking pan. As you can see, it is lined with baking paper. Be sure to line your baking pan because of the contents used in the production of the baking pan or whatever baking pan you're using. Because of the content of the baking paper, it's important for you to line it with a paper. Papers are healthier, I think. Yeah, in my best, in my best thinking, papers are better than baking straight into your pan. So I lined the pan with a baking paper. I also added some vegetable oil so the papers can glue to the pan. And yes, this is all I have now. I've succeeded in placing my dough into the pan. The bread dough is here, and I'll cover it for another 2 hours, guys. Because of the date, I said the date has weight, so I need it to rise properly. Look at it, guys. You can see it has doubled in size again, so it is ready to be baked. I baked this for about 25 minutes, and after that I have my good sandwich date bread. You can see it, guys. It's brown. I made sure it's the brown I wanted. If you don't want yours as brown as this, you can take it off the oven as long as you know it's done. But it's brown as I want, and it tastes so good. Guys, if you made it to this point, please subscribe to the channel and like this video, guys. The hot bread is ready. You allow it cool. If you want to get the best of bread, allow it cool. At least I know one bread can be sweet sometimes, yeah, but allow it cool so that when you slice into it, you get the quality, the taste, everything is nicer when it's cool. So I polish it with some vegetable oil just to make it shine. Nothing serious, just to give it that shine. And I slice into it to show you guys what it looks like. Guys, as you can see, this is what this lovely brown date bread looks like. If you look at it well, if I didn't tell you it's date, you may think this is wheat bread, but no, guys, this is date bread. So yeah, it's healthy, it's lovely. You can use this for your sandwich, top with some cheese, vegetables like lettuce, tomatoes, eggs. It's just lovely. Thank you guys for watching this, and stay tuned for more food content. Have a beautiful day, and remember to subscribe to the channel. Stay tuned. Bye.